A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. ఏమంటుంది? E for elephant. ఏమంటుంది? G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. అవును, ఏంటిది? I for I for ice cream. Okay. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. Little finger.
Amazing.
L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. ఇది ఇప్పుడు. Q for queen. R for rose. S for ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు. S for sheep. T for ఇక్కడ T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for చూడు. Y for yak. Z for zebra. ఇది Z for zebra. కంచర గాడిద.